This is the Arris SURFboard Max 6E mesh system, and Arris says it'll blanket your home in ultra-fast 6 GHz Wi-Fi. But after a week of real-world testing, I found out there's more to the story than what the box promises. Stick around. I'll tell you why it can gut Wi-Fi dead zones, but it also comes with some real-use headaches. Arris SURFboard Max Mesh Wi-Fi 6 Product Overview. Okay, so what are we looking at? This is the Arris SURFboard Max 6E, also known by model W61 or W61 depending on how you read the manual. It's a tri-band mesh system, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and the brand new clean 6 GHz band. Arris launched it around late 2023, and it's aimed at folks with gigabit-class home internet who want that next-gen 6E band coverage, especially over multiple rooms or floors without wiring everything up. Claimed peak combined speeds hit about 6.6 Gbps and coverage up to 5,500 square feet. Arris SURFboard Max Wi-Fi 6 Performance. All right, specs are one thing, but how does it perform day to day? Here's what I found. At close range, say within 1 or 2 rooms, speeds feel blistering, top-tier Wi-Fi 6E. Tom's Guide also noted it blasts data at close range and manages good throughput but drops off quickly as you move farther, all while still being solid budget-friendly compared to pricier Orbi setups. But here's the truth, performance is inconsistent. From Dong Knows Tech, after over a week of testing, the setup was a mess. The app wouldn't list the correct model, Wi-Fi bands shifted clients randomly, sometimes dropping you down to 2.4 GHz even when you're right beside the unit, and there were frequent, brief disconnections during stress testing. Features and tech. Let's chat about what makes the Max 6E unique and why you might care. 1. Tri-band with a 6 GHz channel. That 6E band is like an express lane, super clean, no interference, great for jam-free streaming or gaming in the room with compatible devices. 2. 2.5 Gbps Ethernet on each unit. That means if you've got a fast wired device, or you want to anchor one unit via Ethernet, you're not stuck at 1 gigabit. Benefit is zero lag transfers and smoother. But what you won't love, the app-only setup is painful. Users and Dong reported confusion over models showing up incorrectly, no web interface, and terrible instability from the app during setup and normal use. Design and build. In terms of feel and aesthetics, Arris knocked this one out of the park. The W61 units are cylindrical, sleek, about 8.8 by 4.3 inches, smaller than some rival Orbi boxes but taller than Eero pups. The matte black housing looks modern, and the subtle LED bar keeps status updates visual but not garish. Build quality feels solid and practical, no fan noise at all, but fair warning, it's not wall mount ready and only has the single LED for status info. Very minimalist. Pros. Next-gen 6 GHz band really shines for clean high-speed access in compatible rooms. 2.5 Gbps Ethernet opens up faster wired device use. Compact, understated design looks sleek and operates quietly. Budget-friendly price, about $499 for dual pack, about half of top-tier 6E systems. Cons. Setup hell. Buggy app, wrong model names, forced app-only control. Unreliable band steering and random dips to slower bands. Final verdict. So, who's this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? If you've got a gigabit plan and enough Wi-Fi 6E devices to benefit, and you want a sleek setup without wiring, it can deliver fast, wide coverage under roughly 5,500 square feet. The 6 GHz band and 2.5 Gbps Ethernet are real selling points if they fit your setup. But it's not for those wanting stability or plug-and-play ease. If you need rock-solid reliability, seamless roaming, or granular features via a web interface, you might be better off waiting or looking at more mature systems like Eero Pro 6E or Asus Zen Wi-Fi 6E alternatives. Bottom line, it's a high-potential sleeper, great speeds and hardware, but you'll better appreciate it if you're okay wrestling with the app and hoping firmware catches up. Is it a no-brainer? Not yet, but if those updates come, it might just be.